If you're like me and you have all of your chat history on one LLM like ChatGPT and you want to transfer it to an LLM like Claude, then this is the video for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Simulacra. I'm Bryson. In today's video, we're going step by step on how you can transfer all of your chat and memory history from ChatGPT to Claude. So let's get into it. Alright, so this process is very easy. Anthropic made it super simple to transfer all of your chat history from ChatGPT to Claude. So we're going to start off in Claude. So on your chat homepage for Claude, see how it says Afternoon Bryson, you're going to go to your settings. And once you click on settings, you're going to click on capabilities, and we're going to go down to import memory from other AI providers, and we're going to start this import. So as you can see, it's going to give us a copy of a prompt that we can paste into ChatGPT that will have ChatGPT summarize all of the things about us, our chat history, what kind of person we are, the kind of questions we ask, etc. And then we're going to paste those results from ChatGPT in the below space right here. And so let's copy this prompt and we'll go over to ChatGPT. And next, we want to go up to ChatGPT and change our model. So we change to a thinking model to make sure that our LLM correctly processes and takes its time in gathering all of our chat history. So let's copy and paste the prompt from Claude, and let's see what ChatGPT does. All right, so cool. So it looks like ChatGPT is done exporting all of our chat memory. And so we're going to come over here, press copy, and then we're going to come back over to the import memory to Claude and paste. And before we add to memory, we actually want to read through all of this to make sure that ChatGPT correctly exported our identity, our career, and any other information regarding projects and chat history that we have in ChatGPT. And once you are finished reviewing all of these things and you like how all of this sounds, you'll add to memory here. And so as you can see, the memory exportation works perfectly for chat history, but what about projects? Well, the same thing for project applies. You would just go into your project, say AI systems, and you see how I have all these chats inside of this project. Well, you'd post the same prompt from Claude, which is the start import, and you import memory to Claude prompt. You'd post this prompt into ChatGPT for each project. ChatGPT would give you a summary of that project, and then you would just come back over to Claude. You would create a new project. You would name that new project the same project that it was in ChatGPT, and then you would create your project, and the first thing you would give the chat is the exported memory of the project from ChatGPT with a prompt saying this is memory in context of a project from ChatGPT for this project. Make sure that this project has the same context in memory. And so that's it. That's a step-by-step guide of transferring your chat history and memory from ChatGPT to Claude. I hope you got a lot of value out of this video. Remember, if you have any specific questions regarding this video or anything about system design, AI, Bitcoin, or Web3, leave a comment in the comment section below. Remember to support the channel, subscribe, like, and share with your friends. And you've been watching another video from Simulacra. I'm Bryson, and that's all for today. Bye, everyone.